Alice here. Welcome to Korean Ladder, where tiny Korean choices start to feel natural.
안녕하세요, 하나입니다. 오늘도 같이 차근차근 올라가요.
안녕하세요, 준호입니다. Today, one goodbye changes depending on who stays and who leaves.
Here is my real-life panic. I am leaving a cafe, the barista is staying, and I say, 안녕히 가세요. Did I just tell the barista to leave?
좋은 질문이에요. If you are leaving and the other person stays, say 안녕히 계세요.
And if the other person is leaving, say 안녕히 가세요. It means please go peacefully in a polite, natural way.
So the goodbye is not about me first. It is about what the other person is doing.
맞아요. Today's pattern is polite goodbyes with honorific verbs. 계세요 means someone respectfully stays or exists there. 가세요 means someone respectfully goes.
The word 안녕히 means peacefully or well. The second verb carries the direction.
계세요 comes from 계시다, the honorific form of 있다. So it points to staying or being at the place respectfully.
가세요 comes from 가시다, the honorific form of 가다. So it points to going respectfully.
Listen to the first situation. I am leaving a shop. The shop remains open and the staff stays. 안녕히 계세요.
Second situation. My guest is leaving my home. I stay at home. 안녕히 가세요.
Okay, cafe test. I leave. The worker stays. I say, 안녕히 계세요.
완벽해요. In English, think as for you, please stay well. Natural Korean is 안녕히 계세요.
Home test. My friend leaves my apartment. I stay. I say, 안녕히 가세요.
Yes. In English, think as for you, please go well. Natural Korean is 안녕히 가세요.
One more important point. If both people are leaving the same place, you usually say 안녕히 가세요 to the other person because they are also going.
That feels surprising. Even if I leave too, I look at the other person and say, 안녕히 가세요, because they are leaving.
Exactly. The choice is not stay me or go me. It is stay you or go you.
Now we will hear a short dialogue. Junho is leaving a classroom and I am staying in the classroom.
하나 선생님, 안녕히 계세요?
네, 준호 씨, 안녕히 가세요.
I heard both. The leaver said, 계세요, so, to the person staying. The stayer said, 가세요, to the person leaving.
안녕히 계세요.
안녕히 가세요.
Good noticing. The two goodbyes can happen in the same moment, in opposite directions.
And the person staying answers, 안녕히 가세요, because the other person is going.
Repeat after me. First, goodbye to someone staying. 안녕히 계세요.
안녕히 계세요.
좋아요. 계세요 has a slightly tense first sound, but do not overthink it at A1. Keep it smooth. 안녕히 계세요.
안녕히 계세요.
Now goodbye to someone leaving. 안녕히 가세요.
안녕히 가세요.
아주 좋아요. 가세요 is from 가다, to go. The other person is going, so 안녕히 가세요.
Let me try the pair. To a shop worker when I leave. 안녕히 계세요. To my friend leaving my house. 안녕히 가세요.
That is the core rule.
Common mistake time. I want to say goodbye, and because I am going, my English brain wants. 안녕히 가세요.
그럴 수 있어요. But in Korean, when you say goodbye to the person who stays, use 계세요. Do not choose by your own movement.
A quick memory hook. 계세요 means stay politely. 가세요 means go politely. Stay you, go you.
What if I am at a restaurant and the server walks me to the door, but then the server goes back inside? I still say, 안녕히 계세요, right?
맞아요. If the server's place is the restaurant and they remain there, 안녕히 계세요 is natural.
But if a guest is actually leaving the place, use 안녕히 가세요. Quiz. You are leaving a bookstore. The cashier stays at the counter. What is the most natural, polite goodbye to the cashier?
I choose A. 안녕히 계세요. Because the cashier is staying.
정답이에요. 안녕히 가세요 would sound like the cashier is leaving. 안녕하세요 is a greeting, not a goodbye here.
Second quiz. You and a coworker both leave the office at the same time and separate at the elevator. What do you say to the coworker?
B. 안녕히 가세요. They are leaving too, so I use 가세요.
맞아요. 둘 다 떠날 때도 상대방은 가는 중이에요. In English, even when both leave, the other person is going. So use 안녕히 가세요. 정리해 볼게요. 첫째, 상대방이 그 장소에 남으면 안녕히 계세요. In English, if the other person stays at the place, say 안녕히 계세요.
둘째, 상대방이 떠나면 안녕히 가세요. In English, if the other person is leaving, say 안녕히 가세요.
셋째, 내가 아니라 상대방 기준으로 고르세요. In English, do not ask, am I leaving? Ask, is the other person staying or leaving?
넷째, 둘 다 떠나면 보통 안녕히 가세요. In English, when both people leave, the other person is also going. So 가세요 is the natural polite choice.
My keeper sentence is 상대방이 남으면 안녕히 계세요. 상대방이 떠나면 안녕히 가세요.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 상대방이 남으면 계세요. 떠나면 가세요.
안녕히 계세요 if we stay with you in the lesson library. And 안녕히 가세요 if you are heading out now. See you on the next rung.